Hello everyone. In this session, uh, the estimation of reservoir capacity procedure for which will be discussed. And in order to do that, we need to have the capacity contours. The capacity contours you will be done, during extensive survey work by using plane table station. This will be the typical. I just drawn it actually. Whatever you have that file that contours, you have to scan it, and you can either save it as a PDF file or a TIFF file, and keep it ready with you. Okay, you can go to Jumbo Xerox. There you can scan it. Okay, bigger scanners. So scan it and keep it ready. And during that time we had given higher contours for one set of batches and lower contours for the other set of batches. So this is higher contours. Similarly, lower contours will also be there. Okay, 970 up to 921, 927 to 921.17. So what we need to do here is, for calculating the reservoir capacity, we should know actually the area of capacity, those contours. We should be able to calculate the area of contours. In order to calculate area of those contours, what we need to do is, you can use this AutoCAD method, and for which what you do, you can copy this file, this scanned image, to AutoCAD. Okay, and here Control V if we do, and click this, and it will ask for the scale factor 1 you give, press enter, and rotation 0 you give and press enter, so that this will be the image going to get. Similarly, you have to copy the another image, which is the other set of contours. So scale factor 1, angle 0. So I will get both the contours, both set of contours here. So now what first thing is, you have to draw the central line of the bund from A to B, okay, or B to A, and then what you should do, you have to trace these contours by using this spline. Okay, so go start from here. Because it will be highlighted, what you do, you just click here. It can be taken also. Shift F3 if you press, and then spline if you do, it won't actually select that. So from here, go on clicking it. The accuracy depending upon the number of points. Okay, you should draw closely spaced points and lines with, so neatly you will get. Otherwise, if you draw it for longer spaces, you will not get actual or exact value you will not be getting. So similarly, you will have to just do it like this. But as much as possible, you should have to be there with you have to be selecting points at smaller distances, so that it will be accurate. The curve will come accurately. Right, now I'll just finish it off to reduce the time quickly. Yes. So this is how you can get the contour, right? And similarly, you have to trace all the contours. Okay, after drawing all the contours, what you need to do is, you need to because when you scanned and pasted into AutoCAD, the exact length may not be correct. Okay, in order to calculate the area automatically, the length of the bund should match with the length what you have taken. So to do that, what you can do, so similarly, you can just trace all the contours like this. You will be having the contours here, all the contours. right? These are the higher level contours and these will be lower level contours, right? Next thing what we should do is we need to scale up. Okay, in order to scale it up, so measure the uh, you just separately copy this to here, measure the bund width, bund length total. Okay, so it will be 0.628017, something you may get, it will be different depending upon the sheet size and all, but actually this length of this should be equal to length of the bund, which we have taken equal to 115 meters. So if 0.628 if it has to become 115, so what we need to do, we should divide 115 by 0.628017, then you will be able to get that value, right? And you can just give the scale factor and it automatically gives the value. Yeah, so to calculate that, what you should do is here, so 115, the length of the bund is 115 divided by point, accurately you should mention 0.628017. Okay, but sometimes what it will be done is the decimal points may not be visible. As much as possible you should have more and more decimal points. So in order to increase the decimal points, D enter and then go to modify, and initially it will be maybe lesser, then you will get only less value, but if you have lesser value, the accuracy of this will be not good. So D enter, go here, modify, as much as possible have more precision, and even for angle also you have more precision. Click OK, close. Okay, and same thing you can use and press enter. So 183.116062, so that much size we need to increase. So you copy these this file CO and paste it separately here, and now increase the size by giving this factor, scale factor, SC enter. So the value is 183.116, press enter. So automatically the size will be increased, and you can see it is around 114.999, right? So this will be now actual, will be for actual scale, and you can calculate the area of this capacity contours. In order to calculate area of this capacity contours, now, so before that, similarly we need to do for the second set of contours. Okay, and after doing second set of contours, actually let me just show you. We'll have to increase the size of this same way, SC and SC enter. Sorry, before that, copy this and paste it over here. Okay, now the thing is dimension aligned. If you type shift F3 on, so the length will be 0.883431, but it has to be again 115 only. So again you calculate here, so 115 divided by 0.88431, press enter. So it is 130. So increase this scale factor to 130. You just delete this, SC enter. From here 130.044894, just enter, and you can be able to get, this one, and these lengths will be both same, but actually speaking this is horizontal and this is inclined. So if you want to merge these two, select this CO or move enter, and you place this cursor here. So, but it is rotated this way. So in order to rotate the whole thing, so first thing is you have to measure the angle between these two. So go to dimension angular, right, and measure between this point and this point, so which will get angle equal to 5.3171 degree. Okay, so you just rotate by that angle. Select this one also, 5.3171. so RO from here 5.3171, press enter. So automatically now both the lines are coinciding and both lengths are having 15 meter, 115 meter only. So this will be the combined capacity contours. So after doing the combined capacity contours from two batches, so what you need to do, you need to calculate the area of MWL, FTL, sluice level, and so on. So in order to consider that, calculate the area. So calculate the areas of these. Okay, for finding the capacity of the reservoir, you can see here the water can store up to maximum water level. That is, whenever the rain is continuously falling, there will be some flow, steady flow, and if you consider the depth of the flow as 1 meter, so the maximum water level will be equal to FTL plus 1 meter, right? So maximum meter 929.15, right? And you need that. So this is actually TBL, you may not need that one. So you calculate the areas of all this. So to calculate areas, so area, enter you give, and O enter, press here, will get area 11262. Just copy paste here 11262 at MWL 929.15, and this contour is you can see here the second contour is 929.5, and which you can get it easily from this. Okay, 929.5 is the MWL. Next, similarly, you can go on getting the capacity contour, capacity, the areas of the contours. So similarly, area, O enter, press this. So one second. This one, so 7402. Likewise, you will get all areas. Afterwards, for calculating the capacity, so these will be two areas at two levels. Okay, just average of them you can calculate. So this plus this by 2 into the height difference. So that will give you capacity between these two contours. Similarly, you should calculate the capacity between these two contours, these two contours, these two, and these two. So you will get individual volumes. Then you just keep on adding. Okay, 0 initially, it will be added to it will be taken as 933, and again you just add this and this. It will be keep on increasing. Okay, so likewise you should calculate. Okay, total volume. So 9332 plus 53 something, you will get 111469 plus 5674, you will get this. So this is the total maximum reservoir capacity. That's called live storage. Okay, above sluice level, that is called volume available for irrigation. It's called live storage, and dead storage will be below the sluice level, and it has to be calculated like this: 114 plus 0 divided by 2 average into the height. Okay, this is how you can calculate the reservoir capacity of the NTP bundle. Okay, that concludes the reservoir capacity video. Thank you very much.